Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ode Silva. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I preserve my chili pepper. Important notice: before removing the stem from the pepper, you have to wear gloves if your skin easily gets irritated by pepper. Because when I was in Africa, if I would touch pepper like this, you see the way I'm laughing, because my skin will burn for days. I will be packing powder and all that for me to cool this my hand. It will be very hot. But this abroad pepper, or maybe it's because I'm getting older or something, I don't know, but it doesn't normally burn my skin anymore. So what you want to do is wear gloves while removing the stems from the chilies. It's very important to remove all the stems from the pepper. Yes, it's very important. So what I'll be doing here is I'll be tying the pepper in a nylon bag. I'll be tying them in batches. Tying them in batches. If you want to wash it, you can wash it now. Then you make sure you pat it very dry. You make sure everything is dry. But me, I did not wash mine. The way I just bought it from the supermarket, I only removed the stem, and now I'm about to tie it in this cellophane, this nylon bag, and I'll be putting it inside the freezer like that. Because if there's any germs or any germs or any bacteria, I'm sure the freezer land will not be convenient for that bacteria to exist or to still stay alive. But when I want to make use of it, I normally wash it before using it. But as I'm preserving it now, I don't wash it because I feel it's no need. I'm just trying to put everything inside the freezer now for them to chill. So these are all the previous ones I preserved before. I'll be showing you now. It's still very fresh and the colors are still intact. You can see it now. You can see it. These are frozen pepper. So this is how I preserve my fresh peppers and chilies. So if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Share it with your friends and family. You know there's always love in sharing. And if you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click on the subscribe button to join this beautiful family, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.